Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Pascal Luna, a student of Lulu University. Today we are going to we're going to talk about Mendeley installation and what it is and how you download it and create an account in it. So let's get started. So I want to be authentic and you see the step that I'm referring to. If you download it, you come to Google here. This is your website and so on. You can when you want to download Mendeley, come and here, since it has been something that I've been searching on, then I come and tap on Mendeley. When you come to Mendeley, you see a click icon here that it is Mendeley. So which one do you want to download? Most especially, you don't download the reference, you don't listen, it doesn't anything. Come and do it here. If you click on this, it shows you directly that you want to download. So you look for the download option, then it's this is this one that we want to download. This one, but I've already downloaded it, so copy it, goes to the attachment, copy it, and then you go to download, you come here, and like as I said, you come here, this is where I'm rendering is, click on the page, download, you see the option for downloading it. So you come and see from the drop down arrow that it is already done. But this one I've already downloaded, so I'm not gonna continue with this. I'm gonna cancel it away because I have the exact copy already. And for the case of you want to create an account, this is how the format will be like. For the case if you want to create an account, you come here. This is where it was. Now, you come and where it's here, create an account. This is how it is gonna be. You show for you this email, you enter them and say maybe you want such an account and say, but I already have put in my account, so it will not take me direct where it was. Then in time when I download it, from here, it will tell me, okay, like I should enter my email and so and other steps involved in it. But if you have not created my account with it, you first go to register. You go to register, it will bring a dialog box that you will fill the required emails. Like this is my email, and then you continue. These are what you're required to sign out, and maybe this where it's supposed to be an email already because I've signed it. So you fill this blank spaces after filling it, and then you continue. Like for me, it's now this is my whatever. This is going to put in direct. I click with the wrong one. And then I sign in. So automatically, if I sign, it takes me close it because this is mine. Then you save the password, and then in case you want to cite anything, and so it brings you there. So all the cookies and so on. This is how much I can take with you. Your work, and after you come and enter, you whatever here, so that if you have created account with the Mendeley, you come and enter it here. No, specific. Always human and so on. So this is how we can do it. So thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you like it, share with your friends and so on. That will help. Please, for more videos like this, don't forget to tap into my bio and share so that it can give you more updates on videos like this. Thank you so much for the time. And please don't forget to tap on the like button and so on. Thank you so much. Have the best of your day. We'll see you next in the next video. Thank you so much.